Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can use GUI apps in Ubuntu WSL without any beta updates, additional software. Well, you will need one additional small software too. So let's first start Ubuntu. I use Windows Terminal. You can see my another video how to install it. Windows Terminal. I work in here. It will default Windows PowerShell. I am opening Ubuntu. See, Ubuntu is booting up, and in the meantime, shall we set up the VC server? You need to download a file called vcxsrv.exe from the link I have given to you. I have already downloaded it. See, it will be in my downloads in here. Let me show you. Yes, this is the installer. Follow the normal step of vcxsrv. Now, when I get in here, I will try to run for example the X calculator. It cannot open display. You must have WSL2 to execute this, and you must have this line which I have given in the description also. To add this line, type nano /etc/bash bash.bashrc. Then see, I have already pasted it in this line. I will give you in description. You just copy and paste. I am exiting. You must run sudo nano, remember that. Now I have if you have already installed, now type vcxsrv. It will be with the name xlaunch. So I am typing xlaunch. Okay, then try to run xcalc. Nothing is displaying. Now make sure the settings are these. Next, start no client. Next, and always disable access control. You can also save this to a file for easy access. Now click finish, and finally you can run xcalc. See, the Ubuntu program has opened as a Windows program. I can use it normally, and even xsize. Let's try to run xsize. See, it is functioning as normal. If you have doubt about any other program that are not running, or any program that doesn't run, just tell me. And PS, you do not need to install a Windows manager of anything. You can just download. You even don't need to install Xorg. The main components are pre-installed for you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please subscribe, like if you and share this video if you enjoyed. Thank you.